Hello, my name is Liam Mann, and I am the founder of CarbonBlack Technology. You might know CarbonBlack Technology from our innovative screen surface and display company. What you see behind me is the CarbonBlack hybrid screen. It's a mid-tone gray screen that we manufacture, and it's a 100% opaque textile-based surface. It works by having a graphene coating that reacts with laser light, and it gives you incredible colors in the right environment for projection-based display systems. The large format screens can go up to 32-foot high seamless, and as long as you want 100 yards, you got it. We use this type of screen, the surface, at large concerts, such as the Nine Inch Nails World Tour. We use that at Adele's residency here in Vegas, and it's also being used at Radio City Music Hall and Disney and name other places. So this screen technology is very, very versatile. It can be put in different shapes and constructions. So wherever you want to have your large format display, you're not limited by the shape or size or format anymore for your projection tech. It can be rolled up and rolled down as well, and it can be attached to systems like our fast fold carbon fiber frame here with just Velcro. Very easy to put on and off, no more buttons, no more issues with that. And this is our carbon fiber frame, which you'll probably hear about in another video. My name is Liam Mann, and you can find more information on CarbonBlack at carbonblack.technology. Check that out and reach out to us for a demo in Hollywood, California.